Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then let's scroll down to the security. And here let's find unknown source installations. Now, as you can see here, we've got the list of available apps. And if you want to allow installing something, for example, from Chrome, simply click on the switcher. Now let's click allow. And from now on, you're able to download something from Chrome. The same thing will be, for example, with Gmail. Simply click on the switcher, click on allow, and from now on you're able to download something from Gmail. If you want to turn it off, obviously click on the switcher and turn it off. So that's all. This is how you allow unknown sources in your OPPO A52. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.